Xiaomi has finally confirmed that a Xiaomi 14 series will utilize the best in the field Summilux sensor. The company confirmed as much as its official Weibo account. Xiaomi and Leica has been cooperating for years now, and as expected, the partnership will continue. Xiaomi 14 will not only bring a new Leica lens, will also bring a new image sensor, though they did not reveal the detail about it. Another detail, they confirmed the Xiaomi 14 series will launch this month. The company did not share the exact date, but it is guessed that it will be October 27th. But the image surfaced claiming that the event will be on October 31st. That image suggesting that HyperOS launch date, it seems rather odd, but it did not confirm a specific source. We already know that HyperOS will launch along with the Xiaomi 14 series. Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro will launch before the end of this month in China. The global launch will happen the first half of 2024. And Xiaomi 14 series will be the first phone with the next generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is supposed to be launched on October 24th in Hawaii.